robot. The only robot moving on the field is Nerd Herd, and they shoot up and in. 10-22 as we come out of the autonomous period. Nerd Herd into the middle of the field, and they've grabbed notes immediately, trying to cycle them over to the blue side of the field before the Red Alliance can do anything with them. Chickens trying to grab a note and putting it up in the amp. Lining up, and Stormbreaker shoot up and over. Chickens managed to get their shot into the amp. Nerd Herd very quick to get the last notes in the middle of the field. They seem to be fairly uncontested for those notes. Chickens cycling over to the red side. Switchback, unfortunately, their RSL static, meaning that they are disabled. Nerd Herd running over to the source. They wait for the note to drop on the ground. They slam into the source and they are gone. Gazelle's gonna try to do the same thing. They grab it, they're gone, right around the dead Switchback robot. 1540 cycling over to the amp to try to do the same. And it looks like Cloverbots are not moving on the blue side of the field. Their RSL also static. Gazelle's lining up. Will they get this one up and in? Yes, they do. Stormbreakers, they have a note. They're running across the field and they make contact with their teammates, the Flaming Chickens, but they do eventually figure their stuff out, and they are over on the red side of the field, lining up with the subwoofer. Chickens have a note in the amp, and unfortunately, the note from Stormbreakers does not go all the way in, but they will try again. Red Alliance ready to amplify, and it looks like Switchback has been pushed over into the source. And Stormbreakers miss another shot, but they are gonna go and try again. Human players are throwing their high notes. 3 of them not quite up. Blue Alliance hasn't thrown any high notes yet. And Nerd Herd, very fast climb from them, but they may still be touching the ground. We'll see though. Chickens are up and they don't quite get it. It is just hanging out of their robot. We will get you your final scores shortly. Your final scores for qualification 23 up on the big screen. Your winner, the Blue Alliance, with 69 to 44. Now we do have some explaining to do. We had on the red side, there was a dead robot that was pushed more than 2 robot lengths into a penalty zone. Because of this, 2 tech fouls were removed from the Red Alliance. They were originally given. We have removed that from them. Blue Alliance has received 2 fouls as well as a tech foul for this action.